JD on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above the 200 moving average on the daily chart. Zooming back out, the last couple of years we've been trading with a series of lower highs and lower lows. Now I think we bottomed out here, now we're climbing back up. We do have a pocket of potential support, a 3-price relationship right around 34, price pull back in and currently bouncing back out. We do have earnings that's coming up on the 6th, just take note of it. You may want to trade this after earnings and see how the stock performs. Looking at the fundamentals, it's very sound. We do have that increasing top line revenue and the company is profitable. So JD.com is a popular website, primarily B2C. What you can do here, not financial advice, after earnings, if the chart's still demonstrating strength back to the upside, then consider adding to more of your position, but you still need to set your stop loss below this pivot low. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups and cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.